Well, worst case, I just started a little bit down the road. I'd rather get started than... Ah, there we go. Thank you. I'm not gonna lie, this is some gorgeous scenery. Something about the little snowflakes falling. So peaceful. Made it to the top of the waterfall. Spring is out here, alive and well. Now we kind of just cruise along a flat plain until we get to the mirror sign, which is kind of like the next checkpoint. There you go. South Fork. We want North Fork to the lakes. Nice little snow flurry. I don't know if the camera picks up those flakes, but it's nice. Yeah, cloudy, but dude, look at these flakes. Dude, it's legit snowing on us.
Wow.
Yo. Yo. This is where we start to go up to like that tree area. We got the spring greens down here. Going up, I like sticking to this left side that cuts through this valley rather than doing the gradual up line. I feel like I'd rather just do the shorter ups than the longer, more gradual ones. Snow's mellowed out. Cold, but it's not actually that cold. I ended up taking the little paw protectors off. But we'll see once we get up in those trees right there. Could be a whole nother weather vibe. Look at these views. Look at that. Alrighty, made it to John Muir sign. Got the waterfall. And the snow is back. Two and a half miles in. A little icy, not thick snow. A lot of this is fresh from the storm yesterday. Yeah. This is cool. don't know if these are snow bridges or just the normal trail. Kind of in a winter wonderland at this point. Little waterfall. A lot of water around us. Just shy of the 3 mile mark. Usually you can see Temple Crag starting to peek up through where that snow flurry is, but we got the cabin here. Do we just keep going and get the cabin on the way back? I think so. Also, look at this little pine cone. Homie's just chilling. We're taking him along for the adventure too. Got some spring flowers. They're a little cold and shy. It's okay. I'm not judging. There's the valley that no one really cares to look at. Still really cool. All the little rock sides. But usually once you get to this opening, Temple Crag is like, oh, you can kind of see it. You can kind of see it. I don't know, GoPro, if you can, but it's in that flurry. The glacier is being re-glaciered right now. That is confirmed. Oh, that's pretty cool. Getting to a little mountainy area now. Spice level went up a little click. It is fresh powder on the trail. Not too shabby. It's just the powder. Look how soft this is. Pure powder. Oh, look at that. Dude, look at this. Just light powder. Isn't that crazy? Just a big cotton sheet of snow. Damn, that's cold. Peaceful little river. Snow edge. Bro, what a day. Something about snow out in the backcountry. It's just calming. Oh. It's not going to do it justice on camera, but seeing that massive rock. What? I know, we got blue skies. Look at that. Whew. So the snow clouds cleared out for us, and they presented a frosted Temple Crag. Even a second ago, some of the 14ers in the back by the glacier were peeking through the clouds. The sun is trying to get through. I think lunchtime up here is going to be a great experience. Mile 4. Snow is definitely getting thicker. Oh, here we go. Little stream crossing. Nice. There. Stable there. 1 foot there. 1 So we're pretty close to that 10,000 foot mark. Air's getting a little colder. Oh, yeah. Some good snow right there. Yeah, buddy. Like what trail? This one. Bro. Just ominous. They made it to another water crossing here. Let's see here. What are we playing with? Oh, it ain't nothing. We got some ice here. We're gonna step on this guy. This guy. Just a quick little hop, skip, and a jump. Look at that. All right, now we're back to the fresh POW. Trail's gone. That's some fresh POW. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Trail that way. Black Lake. We want lakes 1 and 3, so we're gonna stay left at this river crossing. Oh, dude, what's up, homie? Just under 5 miles. We got a little marmot. He's right down that rock. Lake 1 in the center. It's all frozen over. Yo, homie, get over here. The freshest of powder. Maybe some thick powder right here. Well, there's a rock right there. Not too shabby. I made it. There's some deep snow. All right. Finally made it. You can see right up there the big guys trying to come through. Temple Crag is looking glorious, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows, because when you look this way, you see the snow flurry is heavy behind us. Look how dark that is behind us. Not sure if it's a plan or a learning experience at this point. Because, bro, there's a storm behind us. Very deep enough to fall. We got dirty Mountain Dew. Might look peaceful on camera, but I'm getting pelted with Dippin' Dots, and we're kind of in a pretty good flurry right now. Do we chill here for a little more of a break? Or do we just start? Yeah, it's some thick cloud right there. And I think our photo shoot with the Majestic is gone. The Dippin' Dots snow flurries blew in. Temple Crag is gone. The upper ridge. So we just had that perfect little 5 minutes when we got here. Still in a flurry. Charged up with Mountain Dew. Pretty cool experience to make it up here. Get some cool frosty pics with Temple Crag before its presence was hidden. Here's some Lake One action. Ain't much of anything though. Going down ain't gonna be that bad. What time do we start going down? 3 hours and 20 minutes. Hopefully be back at the car by 5 hours 30 round trip. It's not bad. You know what I mean? It's like if we wait for another 5 more minutes, Temple Crag will be in the sun. Temple Crag came back out to say hi, or bye, I guess. But we couldn't help but just stop and admire it. No, we haven't.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad. Put our hoods back on. Now the storm's here. What's up, little bird? What kind of bird are you? Oh, there he is. Little chickadee. What's up, homie? Water crossing. Nothing too crazy. Just gonna whoop, whoop, whoop. Trails are literally snowed over somewhat. You can just barely see like the outline of them. It's so crazy to me. It's been like an hour since we've been here. And it's not like the rest of the scenery's like loaded up with snow, but I guess it just collects in the lowest parts. It's Dippin' Dots. I feel it hitting me. There's some good ones that are hitting me. Like, let's see here. Where's the big guys? Oh, there's a big guy. Just bounced out of my glove.
Oh yeah.
There's some good sized ones. talking like jumbo jelly bean size.
That's what they're accumulating.
Oh yeah, on the little gnarly. Not that. Does the camera angle look good?
Heck yeah, that's sick.
Sweet. Try it with a little more upward tilt. So I feel like before it just kind of bounces down.
You have so many of those Dippin' Dots collecting around your hood right now?
Oh snap, bro. I should almost put this hood on. There we go. It's probably better. Oh dude, we're in a flurry.
Hey, Craig's still there.
Craig's still chilling. No ice. Get off my boot. Get on my boot, ice. Get back to the chopper. Put my cookie on. That was worth it. Are you? Oh yes, yes. Now wave your arms up and down. Make an angel.
Dude, look how close I was to rocks.
Pretty good snow angel.
That's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
Here's my face covered in snow.
Yeah, kind of jagged too. It's okay. You learn to live, have fun. That's what the mountains are for.
Wow, that is good snowing.
It is. It's solid. Alright, made some other water crossing. Hop over that. We got some black sludge. We can go to the right here. Up here. Across here. Marshland. Down the marshland. Made it to the cabin. Alright, will my battery freeze? Made it to the 2-mile sign. Micro spikes are off. It's pretty much been dirt since the cabin.